Hey guys, it's Al here from Almac Plumbing, your friendly, clean, reliable plumber. Just thought I'd do a video today. I want to take you guys through a practice that's pretty much been forgotten about in plumbing, and that is to do with your hot water tanks. We're going to go through changing of a sacrificial anode. Now these anodes are installed in hot water services much like this one, and they extend the life of the tank phenomenally, probably 5 years plus. What basically happens is you have a magnesium anode like this. It's a rod that sits inside the hot water tank, and it sacrifices itself and rusts away before the tank does. So as soon as this thing is rusted away, then the water's going to start attacking the tank, and that's when it starts to split. So if you change these things regularly, you know, it's probably about a $200 or $300 changeover. It's going to extend the life of your hot water tank. So I'm going to pull this one out, and then we're going to see what sort of condition it's in, and then it'll probably help you guys understand what's happening with the sacrificial anode. Okay, so here we have a Vulcan 260 litre mains pressure hot water tank, and if we go to the top, this one has the pressure and temperature relief valve on the top, which obviously protects it from high pressure and high temperature. And if we have a look up on here, that's where the anode sits, and the rod sits all the way inside the tank. What let me say was turn the isolation valve off. Okay, done. Just loosen this one off a bit. You'll need two hands to take this bad boy out. Trust me. That one's loose. And pull that one out. Oh wow. See, there we go. That's your anode. That's all that's left in it, which is pretty much nothing. I'm going to compare that to our new one. Boom. That's what's going on here. So we're going to put this new one in. Okay, so we'll go up the top here. This part obviously needs to be Tefloned up, which we're going to do first. Teflon. Don't be shy with Teflon. What do they say? Teflon's cheap, leaks are expensive. Drop that bad boy in. Get it started with the hands when it wants to get started. Okay. There we go. Tighten this one up, and then you can turn your hot water tank back on. Ooh. Give that a nip up. We're going to reconnect the hot water on this one. Not all hot water tanks are the same, so this one's a bit different. So there's our anode, Tefloned in. Awesome. And then we're going to just turn that back on slowly. Done. And then check this bad boy. There's not a massive waterfall coming out, so we're good. And we're going to put that cap back on there, and we are done. So there we go, guys. There's our old anode, the other one's in. So you want to check these things probably every 5 years. It's a relatively inexpensive way of getting another few years out of your tank. It's hard to say, sometimes 5+ years more out of a hot water tank for the cost of one of these bad boys. Okay, hope you enjoyed this one. See ya.